protest in South Tripura district over BJP's brutal attack on former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, former Minister Badal Chaudhary and several other CPIM leaders on Shanti Bazaar. Due to COVID-19, social distancing in the protest was maintained and no mass gathering at a massive number was allowed by the party, though yesterday BJP, violating the COVID rule, gathered at a massive number and held severe attacks on opposition leader cum former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar and Deputy Opposition Leader Badal Chaudhary along with other CPIM senior leaders. While addressing the media, a CPIM leader said that BJP is suffering from communist phobia and that is why such ugly attacks are been taking place. Though calling a press meet, BJP claimed that it had no link with the attack on former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar and former Minister Badal Chaudhary at Shanti Bazaar on Monday. But the footages show that many of the persons who were leading the attack on the opposition leaders are not only active BJP members, but Yuva Morcha District President Shuman Debnath was also caught clearly in the footage. So far, nobody could be arrested in this incident, as predicted, as police hands are tied up in this regard.
আমাদের উপনেতা বাদল চৌধুরী সেখানে ইটের আঘাতে মাথা রক্তাক্ত অবস্থায় সেখানে ছিলেন। এই যে আধা সন্ত্রাস ফ্যাসিস্ট যে আক্রমণ, এটা আমরা লক্ষ্য করছি যে এই রাজ্যে বিজেপি দল ক্ষমতায় আসার পর থেকে শুরু করে আজকে 3 বছর অতিক্রান্ত করেছেন, তারপরেও তাদের এই ধরনের হিংস্র আক্রমণ বন্ধ হয়নি। আমরা তার তীব্র প্রতিবাদ জানাই এবং অবিলম্বে রাজ্য সরকারের কাছে আমাদের আবেদন যে এই দোষীদের অবিলম্বে গ্রেফতার করতে হবে।
When Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and BJP party leaders are lighting candles over West Bengal law and order, this is the reality behind the crocodile tears for other states. This is not the first time that opposition MLAs and leaders have been attacked in Tripura under the BJP governance. But since 2018, Badal Chaudhary was attacked various times and Manik Sarkar was also under severe attacks. BJP in Tripura had burned thousands of houses, killed opposition activists, though hardly any action was taken in a single case. Houses were robbed, people's business were snatched and many were permanently made handicapped. Yesterday's Shanti Bazaar incident took place at Shanti Bazaar, South Tripura after leader of opposition, former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, Badal Chaudhary, MLA Shudhan Das, leader Basudeb Majumdar and others were going to meet an attacked family there. That family was recently attacked by the local BJP. Their houses were damaged. To talk to the victim family, the former Chief Minister along with the other leaders visited the place. On the other, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb has ordered for an inquiry attack on the state's opposition leader Manik Sarkar at Shanti Bazaar on 10th of May. The Chief Minister has directed to form an inquiry committee headed by the Superintendent of Police of South District, and he directed that the report of the committee be submitted within 48 hours. Bureau Report, Halabol.